Hey, to pair your Sennheiser Momentum form with the phone application, first of all, on your device you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Play Store or App Store if you are using the Apple device. Then click on the search pool and you have to download the Sennheiser Smart Control application. So that's how it looks, and we have to click on this install button. Now just wait for a few seconds. The download will go really fast, as you can see. And now when the download is finished, you can finally click open, and here you will have few pop-ups and notifications, and you have to accept all of them. So actually this one you can skip, that's improvement program that you actually don't need to allow, so click maybe later. Here we have the quick guide, so we can swipe to the left side and click that's all. Here we can get some notifications about the firmware, so for sure we can allow. So click here and accept the notification, and now we have to also grant permission to the Bluetooth. So let's do this right now. And as you can see, here I just have the Momentum 4 wireless in my application for some reason, but I'm gonna forget the device and show you step by step how to do this. So first of all, I'm gonna unpair them from the Bluetooth settings, just like this. There we go. And as you can see right now, we have to power on our headphones, so we have to locate this button and click and hold it until indicators starts blinking white. So click and hold the button. There we go, right now they are the pairing mode. Now go back to your phone and click to add the product and select the headphones. And as you can see, the Momentum 4 appears on available devices, so we have to click on them once. Click to open the settings, and here from the Bluetooth devices, from the Bluetooth settings, we have to select the Sennheiser Momentum 4. So click on them once, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected, so we can go back to the Sennheiser application. And as you can see, here we are. We can also go with this quick tutorial, but I'm gonna click to maybe later. And right now we are successfully connected with the phone application and the Sennheiser Momentum 4. Right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all, bye bye!